March, and look, so many lights. That was beautiful. Guys, I have Minecraft sword right over here. So are you enjoying? Guys, look the camera there, and yeah. Yo, what's popping, guys? He's making it work. Look up. Look, the watches. Make sure to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, I will fight with you like this and I will gonna kill you. No, I'm just kidding, or I will go to the prison with this. I have some skills. Oh, to buy gifts for ourselves, and after this we are going to Albaik, the most popular restaurant in Dubai right now. So we are also going to go to Dubai Mall. Then inside there is only the Albaik, so we're gonna go there. This one is like water. Wow, it's so nice. Like, what should I take in Albaik? Chicken nuggets or broast? Guys, I'm gonna take chicken nuggets. I'm also gonna take chicken nuggets because I like also. And it's this much. It's very big. So hope you enjoy. 10 or 7 pieces. Guys, I'm so picky, Pinky. Yes, Pinky. Here are some dinosaurs. I'm gonna eat you. There are so many wigs. Look this. Look up. Oh! Super fun. I had a lot of fun with that, and we're gonna check if we are gonna buy that, so we'll see there. Check this out. These are so many electric scooters. Guys, he's doing the guitar and he's enjoying it. She's also doing the guitar and she's having a lot of fun. So wow, look up. Sheikh Zayed bin Khalifa station. Guys, I just got this mic and I'm gonna check if it works. Is it working, guys? I cannot listen. Jewelry shop. Wow, there are so many rings. So much gold right here. Golden stick for all people watching here. Gold. Look, so many lights right here, and pouches also are there. This light. Oh, this one is big. Like for mosques. This is the big one. And here's a couch. You can just sit underneath the lights. The guy sitting here, and so many lights of heaven is there. Now we are going to the next mod, Dragon Mod 2. So We'll buy from there too. Let's go down. Oh my god, that was super steep. There's a Dragon Mar 2. We are here to the Dragon Mart 2. Is the top parking area of the building. Look down. We are going from the elevator to down.
I'm so scared.
Ooh.
Giant, look the giant. Yes, I
Guys,
am.
we came to the Dragon Mall 2.
Yeah. And there are so many cycles.
And
there's
there's
Carrefour
right there. We are finally down and look this gigantic bus here. There's shoes, so much shoes. And here's is the big cycles and some toy sitting cars. You can sit in this car. This looks like buggy. This one is buggy, man. That's super cool. Oh, this is the two-seater go-kart. Wow, there are actually there are so many cycles. I'm speechless because I cannot say anything right now of seeing this cycles. And look up the ceiling. There are so many like Chinese hot air balloon like that. Guys, so we reached to the Dubai Mall and now we are going to Albaik and we're gonna eat there. Now we are here, let's go up. We are in Dubai Mall and we are gonna go up. 9. Whoa, 9. 6. Now it's 6. 5, 6. We are up and now look the view there. There's a big glass right there. Wow. That is the another Dubai Mall parking there. And we just came from there and we just came here from that bridge because oh my god, this is very scary.
Because there is rush.
There are so many cars over here. Can we see our car? No. Oh, Burj Khalifa. It's so big. Look the Burj Khalifa. So awesome. What is this? Colorful. Today there was so many people and it was so traffic there. So there was
Dubai
no parking
Mall.
and we just went around the whole parking and there was
Guys,
no parking.
It's
and
written the Dubai
we
Mall.
just came here from the bridge.
So
Awesome, guys. So we are going to Albaik. Right now we are just seeing the views. And
Guys, I can do backflip.
Dude, you know?
Look this. Guys, I made the backflip.
Excuse me, that is not a backflip.
I can do front
I
flip.
did it 360.
Look, I did it. Front flip.
I can do cartwheel.
I can also do. Look, guys.
Oh, look, the AWR sign right there
Guys,
on the building. AWR.
guys,
Let me
look
show you
this.
my kite wheel.
Guys, my
There.
This is the biggest one.
Look, this is the biggest. Then this is the second big. Then smallest. Yeah.
Oh, some jewelry right here.
Oh, it's very shiny.
Guys, my favorite color is.
Oh, watch you want gold and black ones.
Guys, my favorite color is pink because I'm wearing all things pinky.
Yeah, she's really the Dubai Mall.
Look this.
Oh wow! So let's continue and let's go.
He's driving the
Oh yeah, he's driving.
Yes, sir.
Right now we are on the way to Albaik and we are going from the Channel Bridge. Look. This side. I'm so cheese. Guys, the direction is go first right, go straight, then first right, and then left. Yeah, we are going straight. First right, then left. Yeah, let's see where it will go. I can see Dubai Mall. The sign is there. The Dubai Mall.
Look, the AWR.
That's super. It is AWR. Guys, if you are wondering who is behind the camera, it's me, Sanan. Hi. Make sure to subscribe. Let's enjoy the trip.
Take a photo. Okay. Guys, this is so fast.
One more selfie.
Type of working, it's fake, but it's kind of cool. Oh, it's super fun. Let's see. Let's check our height. Come. Go this much and this much. We are in the planets. Oh, and this is a donut. Hey, I'm gonna say this is a big donut. And this is. Oh my God! How she did it?
Mari. Look, guys. Come on, let's go. There's so many hats. Wow, there's a lot of people right there. I cannot even count. I think there are infinity. Guys, we are gonna eat Albaik. I'm gonna tell my father to buy chicken nuggets. Me too.
Dip.
That's I did. So we'll see you in Albaik. Oh my God, it's super.
Look the boat. Look the
This is-
boat.
There is a big aeroplane right over there.
Oh my God, guys! Look the boat and the aeroplane.
Wow, it's amazing. In the Dubai Mall, there are so many features. Guys, look, there's a big queue for Albaik.
Guys, as you can see, the number 8 And we are super. We are super. First of all, the smell is very good. I can smell that chicken. Here you go. Wow. Oh my God. This is that. I'm so ready. Oh yeah. Oh, look at. I'm so ready. They're warm also. Wow. Okay, sure. Okay, so let's open it. Oh my. What is this?
आपके लिए ब्रोस्ट है और यो वन ब्रोस्ट सही है अच्छा है साथ वाले पूरा सूट है ये भी सामान देना हमारी
Guys, we finally got our order and we got chicken nuggets, french fries, and
I'm super hungry.
that's the broast and
Mayonnaise.
Pepsi too.
Mayonnaise. So nice.
Very amazing.
ketchup mu tak salah
Ketchup here. What is ketchup I need? Garlic sauce. I need ketchup sauce.
Big and tall nuggets.
Guys, it's really good, especially the nuggets. And this is also very good with the garlic. We got here bun also with that, and I'm gonna try it.
It is so nice.
Mayonnaise, I'm gonna try. Whatever. Hey, here you go.
I have ketchup.
I love it. Try the skin. Pretty good.
I made burger even.
Good.
2 nuggets and some french fries.
Nah, that's hard.
It's super crispy and the meat is super fresh.
Here, beta.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you.
Hey, special beta. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Mama.
Yeah, Abuji.
So guys, as you can see, it's super delicious. There's the skin. And as you can see, this red and orange, this is the spicy thing.
With the chicken from inside and the crispy egg. It's a square.
Oh my God, guys, look the food. And the Iron Man.
So guys, there was a big queue in Albaik and that was the first experience of Albaik and it was actually fun, but don't come in Friday because there is so much traffic and so many people were there and the rest of the food we just and as you can see, if you want to change your mind, you can come, it's your business. So that's all I want to say. Also, so guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog and had a lot of fun. And we went to many places like Dragon Mart 1 and Dragon Mart 2, and to Dubai Mall there is the Albaik, like 4 kind of places.
And we buy for him
Scooters.
blue scooter.
We'll show you when we reach to the car. So hope you enjoyed the vlog and have a lot of fun and peace.